Hi, this is Digvijay and I have created an Android application for the phone or the tablet to control the wheelchair. And this is the front page of the wheelchair application. And there's two buttons in the application in the front page where when you're done the whole application you can press exit and close the whole application. But when you're ready you can press start. Once you start, you notice that there's a disconnected button here in red, telling you right now the joystick is controlling the wheelchair. But when you're ready you can press connect, and once you're connected to the Bluetooth of the wheelchair it will show you connected in green to let you know now you can perform all the functions of the wheelchair and control the wheelchair movements. If you press forward plus or forward minus, it will allow the wheelchair to move forward. Once I press forward plus, you notice that the reverse button is disabled. That's because when you're going forward, it's recommended that you don't go reverse right away without stopping. Otherwise, you'll have a big whiplash motion. And once you press forward plus, you can press forward plus to increase the speed of the wheelchair. And if you're going too fast, you can press forward minus to decrease the speed of the wheelchair. And there's also a left and right button. Once you're moving forward and you press left, you're moving the wheelchair forward left. When you press right, you'll be able to move the wheelchair forward right. And you can control. And if you're ready, you can press stop, which will stop the wheelchair, and you can press just left to move only just left, and the other buttons are disabled. And same thing with just right. Once you're ready, well, this is basically the whole control of the wheelchair through the Android application that I have created. And I guess let's just go outside and test this application out and see how the wheelchair controls through the Bluetooth with this application. Since I'm connected to the Bluetooth of the wheelchair, right now the joystick is disabled. But if I move the wheelchair forward and if I press forward plus, it will slowly move. And if I press more forward plus, the speed of the wheelchair will increase. And if I press reverse, it will reverse all the way back. And this is the maximum speed I set for reverse. If I stop it, I can go forward plus, and then I can also go left, or I can go right while it's moving forward, and I can stop it, and I can fully move it right. And if I want to go forward from there, I can move the wheelchair forward. And then if I want to go forward right, I can slowly go forward right. And I want to bring the wheelchair back, so I'm reversing it. And if I want to go left, I have all the controls of the wheelchair already controlled, and I can go more left. And if I go forward plus and forward left, we'll slowly move the wheelchair forward left. And that's all the controls for the wheelchair through the Bluetooth module I have. And you can fully control the wheelchair without having the use of the joystick, just directly through the Bluetooth of the Android application. Since I disconnected from the Android application, now I'm in the joystick mode. So the Android application is disabled and only the joystick will work. And I have the potentiometer to control the speed of the wheelchair through the joystick. So if I go reverse, I'll be going reverse. If I go forward, I can go forward without the whiplash motions again. If I go right, then it will go right. And if I want to go left, I'll go left. And also there's forward right and forward left buttons. And I can go reverse. Basically all the same functions I can do through the joystick, the same functions that I can also perform through the wheelchair, through the Bluetooth module as well. And that's basically the whole wheelchair control that I have done so far. And that's basically it. So